guys, welcome back to my channel, compliment of the season. So today I want to show you this hair I showed you in my intro. It's a hair I made, and now to show you how I prepared my hair for it. So this is my hair. I just washed it, and after washing it, I'm applying a little bit of leave-in conditioner, and this is the Cantu one. And so the purpose of the leave-in conditioner is to make my hair nice and soft and settled. So I'm going to use this hair dryer that I have. I bought it on eBay, on Amazon, I can't remember. So it's really helpful at a point like this when I want to make a quick weave, because I'm making a quick weave in this video, and I'm doing a half up half down. So my hair is washed and is wet, and I don't need wet hair for this tutorial. So I'm going to use this hair dryer to quickly, blow dry my hair, to fasten things off and make things easy. So that's what I'm doing now. So after I finish blowing my hair and make sure everything is dry, I'm going to go ahead and use my rat tail comb. I'm going to separate my hair from the ear side to the other ear side. The upper part will be the one I'm doing for the up, and the down part is the down part. So what I'm gonna do, I make sure that I get my line. So yeah, after that I'm going to keep the hair aside. I'm going to keep both the back and the front aside and start from the back. So I'm tying that up right now, and after I finish doing that, I'm going to put the back one in a very low ponytail, because I'm going to use glue. So I'm going to use a wig cap. It's necessary to protect your hair from the gum. So I'm going to use my my concealer to mark the part where I'll be cutting off. This way I won't cut away from the line. I just want to make sure that I remember the line where I separated before, where I partitioned before. So after separating that, I'm going to use a got to be spray and spray on the hair. I use the dryer to dry, and make sure that the got to be gel also makes the wig cap to stay firm. And so the best part of this video is this hair I'm using. This hair I received from Yiroo Hair. Is 100% virgin hair, and it's a straight hair. Is really amazing and nice, and it came in a box, and I have that eyelashes in it also. And then in the box I had 3 bundles of hair and one lace closure. And out of the pack, the hair is really nice and silky. The bundles are amazing. They are bulky and nice. They are sleek. You can see the strands are nice. The ends are nice. They are full and firm. It's true to length. And all the length of this hair I'm going to put in the description box, so try and check that out. So this is the lace closure. For this video I won't be needing it because I'm doing the quick weave. So I'm putting that aside. So I'm going to go ahead and cut across the line and to remove the excesses. And after that, I'm going to be using the glue. And for this tutorial, I'm using this Salon Pro hair bonding gel. And you all know this gel. It has been in the market for a long time, so you can get that from your local beauty supply shop. So the first strand I'm going to do at the back, I'll make sure that I measure from my ear to ear to know how much I need for the back. Then I cut it off and I put in the bonding gel, and I just place it and use my hand to press it down. You can go ahead and use a hand dryer to make sure that it stays down, but if you feel that it's okay, you can leave that. So I go ahead and apply another line, and I just keep putting them like so until I get to the back. I'm going to be going like U form, and so yeah, that's what I'll be doing. I'll come back to talk to you guys. So now I have this little part left, and I'm going to use a small amount of hair and just put it on top like so. I wasn't really seeing what I'm doing, but it's fine because the top part is going to cover it up. So now I'm going to unravel the front part and begin to brush it to the middle. And I'm using this gel, this Eco Styler black castor oil gel. I just want to just apply a little amount. I'm not doing the heavy kind of gel hair, so I'm just putting a little bit, to smoothen my hair. But if you prefer to put plenty of the gel, that's fine, but I just want to just use a little bit. So I'm going to just brush my hair to the middle part like so, and I'm going to get some bubble, and I'm going to tie it up like this. Then the remaining parts of my hair, I'm going to make sure that it's tight and slim like this. Then I'm going to braid it up just in normal braiding. Then I will use another bubble and tie it firmly down also, so that it can be small, so that when I'm applying the remaining bundle, it will stay. And for the back, I use two bundles, just a little bit left from the second bundle. So I'm going to go ahead and use a fresh bundle now, the third one. And you need these bob pins, to secure the weft before you start going around like I'm just showing it. You can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to use it to secure the weft down in the front. Then I begin to wind it round, so that's what I'll be doing until the whole bundle gets into the hair. So now I'm taking a little bit of hair from the back, and I'm going to use it to hold the stem of the hair, so that it could give it that fly look. And that is almost everything. Then I'm going to go ahead and use my pressing wand, and I'm going to press it like this, to slick it out. And then I'll come back to show you the final look. And so guys, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you like this hair. This hair doesn't have any problem at all. It doesn't shed. It's really lovely, and this style is amazing. It's quick weave. I just did this under 30 minutes. The hair is done and everything is perfect. So all the information you need to know about Yiroo hair is down in the description box, so make sure that you check that out. And until next time, enjoy the rest of the video, and bye. So now for the giveaway, I'm sorry, my voice is kind of cracked, and I've been having cold. The weather is just somehow, so I have a little bit of cold. So for the giveaway, we have some rules that you have to follow. And also, in case you don't get what I'm saying, you can read the rules down in the description box. I have everything written down there. But first of all, you have to be subscribed to Yiroo Hair Channel, and also be subscribed to my channel also. And secondly, you have to follow Yiroo Hair on Instagram, yeah, and also follow my channel on Instagram. And number 3, you have to give this video and the video on Yiroo's channel thumbs up. It's very important because they're going to follow up all these rules to see if you really did them right. And then number 4, you have to write down your favorite hairstyle that you want to win. And this is a great opportunity for those of you who have been waiting for hair giveaway, because this giveaway is going to be for 3 people. And under the number 4 rule down in the description box, you will see that they have a hair number 1, hair number 2, and hair number 3 and 4. And if you click the link on those numbers, you see the different styles that are available for you to win. So if that is your favorite number 1, you just write number 1. And you have to email this to YirooHairBeauty@gmail.com. It's also written down in the description box. Everything I'm saying, in case it's confusing, is written down in the description box, so try and check it out. So there's giveaway prizes for first winner, second winner, and third winner. And how many inches of hair with the closure that you need to win is also written down there. And this giveaway is going to last for between 27th of December to the 5th of January. So hurry up and enter this giveaway so that you can get some hair, you know, in time. And all the winners will be chosen at random from persons who follow all the rules correctly. So that is very important. And the winners will be announced on Yiroo Hair channels and on Yiroo Hair Channel and Instagram. So pay attention to that. And the winner will have 72 hours to claim your prize. Like if you don't respond to them, they'll have to choose another person. So guys, this is a great opportunity, and I hope you guys will just follow this. I don't want this video to be too long. So guys, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this my video and watching me for the very first time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until that time, stay blessed and bye.